Hello again. Drier, sunnier weather for most of us for much of next week. Before we get there, however, some heavy rain to come on Saturday. Before that, the rest of today largely dry across the UK, but the start of that rain just creeping into western areas. As we can see here on the radar, you can also see on the satellite lots of cloud, but there are some breaks in the cloud. We've seen some sunshine across northwest England, parts of the North Midlands, and those cloud breaks will continue to work eastwards, as will the rain. So rather grey with light rain and drizzle on and off across Northern Ireland. That rain spreading into western parts of Scotland and northwest Wales. One or two showers in the southwest of England, but some brightness here, and certainly at times some brighter skies down the eastern side of England, northeast Scotland, and where we see some sunshine across eastern England. It'll feel quite warm, 22, 23 degrees. Most places, though, staying cloudy and temperatures in the high teens, low 20s at best. Now, the rain's going to pep up a little bit through this evening and become more widespread through central Scotland, drifting northwards. We'll see a bit more rain for northwest England through the evening and overnight, easing off perhaps later in the night before another pulse of potentially quite heavy rain comes into the southwest. Staying pretty warm overnight, temperatures in the mid or even high teens across parts of eastern England. Not a cold start to Saturday then, but it will be for many a fairly damp start. A zone of heavier rain just working north through the spine of the country really. Some brighter skies to the east of Northern Ireland, the west of Northern Ireland, the west of Scotland. And brighter skies developing down to the south, but we're also going to see some heavy thundery showers developing through the afternoon, and we have a yellow warning in place for those. So more persistent rain through the morning, turning brighter, but then some heavy showers developing late on. Temperatures will be interesting on Saturday because before the rain arrives across the eastern parts, still feeling quite warm and humid. We could get up to 23, maybe 24 Celsius if we see some brightness, but generally, again, we're only in the high teens. And a continued likelihood of thunderstorms behind that main area of rain across parts of England, Wales and Northern Ireland through Saturday evening. So we could again see some potential disruptions, certainly a lot of spray, surface water on the roads and pretty miserable travelling conditions, as well as just the potential for some local flooding if those storms become very slow moving. On to Sunday, and the low pressure system slowly starts to pull away out into the North Sea. There'll still be quite a few showers in eastern areas, but look at this, an area of high pressure moving in through Sunday, so turning drier during Sunday, but that high really establishing itself as we go into next week. There will be some misty, murky conditions. The isobars close together across the south, so it will be quite breezy along the south coast, but generally next week looking a lot drier, a lot sunnier, and probably feeling a little bit warmer as well. Details on that yellow thunderstorm warning for Saturday if you go to our website, or of course if you're watching this on our app, and there's always more if you follow us across social media.